Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to spectate players on chess.com. Watch live games. In today's video, I'll show you how to spectate live games on chess.com. And honestly, this is one of the underrated features that turns aside from just playing chess into basically a live chess arena you can just walk into anytime. Once I'm logged in, I land on the homepage, head to the left menu, click More, and then select Watch, which opens a whole hub of live content instead of just random matches. From here, I can jump into different sections like events if there's an ongoing tournament, or streamers if I want to see how title players think in real time, which is kind of like watching chess with commentary built into the chaos. If I just want pure gameplay, I go into playing now, and suddenly I'm dropped into an active match where I can follow each move, like I'm silently sitting behind the players without them noticing me there, which is slightly funnier than it should be. It's a simple way to learn faster too, because you start seeing patterns just by watching how real games unfold live. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.